Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching Trish Kitchen and I am Trisha. First of all, if you are new in my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Today I am going to share with you Matar Paneer's recipe. Matar Paneer is a vegetarian North Indian dish consisting of peas and paneer in a tomato-based spicy gravy. It is often served with rice and roti. I finish off this Matar Paneer recipe with a garnish of fresh cilantro. If you want to make it more rich and creamier, you may add a tablespoon or two of cream into the dish once it's done. Now let's see the ingredients. We need paneer, green peas and coriander leaves, turmeric, cumin seeds, chili powder, garam masala and salt. 2 tablespoons of cumin seed and 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. I'm not going to use the powder here. I'm going to grind it. If you want, you can use the powder too. 2 medium onions roughly chopped, 1 tablespoon of ginger roughly chopped, 1 tablespoon of garlic roughly chopped, 2 medium-sized tomatoes roughly chopped, green chilies. If you want more spicy, you can add more green chilies. Heat oil in a pan, add onions, fry the onions for 2 to 3 minutes. Add ginger and garlic. Add green chilies and fry all the masala for 2 to 3 minutes more. Once the onion, ginger, garlic fried properly, add tomatoes. Fry the tomatoes till it becomes soft and pulpy. Add salt. This masala is ready now. We'll grind it once it's cooled down. Transfer the mixture in a mixie jar. I soaked the cumin and coriander seeds in water for half an hour. Grind the cumin and coriander seed with the mixture to a smooth paste. Heat oil in a pan. Add cumin seeds. Once it starts to splutter, add the masala. Cook until the oil leaves the side of the pan. Add all the dry spices, salt, turmeric powder, garam masala, chili powder. Mix well. Cook till oil oozes out of mixture. This mixture is almost ready now. Cook 1 to 2 minutes more. Add green peas and mix nicely. Cook on medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Add water. Add the paneer pieces. Cover the lid and cook until the paneer softens and gets cooked completely. Open the lid and cook for few more minutes. Add coriander leaves. Mix well. Our Matar Paneer is ready to serve now. This Matar Paneer goes well with parathas or naan or jeera rice and even steamed rice. A side veg or a raita also goes well with the combination of Matar Paneer and parathas. In most Indian homes, it is made during winters when fresh peas are in season. However, it can also be made with frozen peas anytime around the year. Thanks for watching, friends. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.